What's the meaning of handicap? Handicap. 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 Handicap.
Andy Capp is a comic strip character created by Reg Smythe in the 1950s. The character is known for his love of beer, cigarettes, and gambling, as well as his lazy and unemployed lifestyle. The strip portrays the everyday struggles of Andy and his long-suffering wife, Flo. The name Andy Capp is a play on words, as it sounds similar to handicap, which reflects the character's constant challenges and setbacks in life. The strip has been popular in the UK and worldwide, and has spawned merchandise, stage plays, and even a musical.